Welcome back to another tech video. Today I'm going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find the solution. Now, don't forget to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and you'll hopefully get to the resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it, guys. I hope the video helped find the resolution that you're looking for and you got the answer and worked your way through. If you did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one.